magluluto tayo ng trending cheesy spam baked sushi. So this is the easiest and the most affordable version. Let's start! You know guys, sushi bake is the latest quarantine food trend, as people are making it at home and doing it as their business. So we're gonna make the main cook's version for today. Guys, ito na nga yung twist sa ating sushi bake. Hindi po ako gumamit ng Japanese rice, rather gumamit ako ng 1 cup of normal rice, then 1 cup of glutinous rice or yung malagkit na kanin. And yes guys, pwedeng-pwede yun. So may kamahalan kasi yung Japanese rice, so nag-isip ako ng paraan na magagaya natin yung texture niya. Ating cheesy spam sushi bake. Grabe, hindi niyo na kailangan ng complicated ingredients para magawa to sa sarili niyong bahay. Sobrang sarap, kaya itry niyo na!